Hey everybody, your boy Dominoes 7 here. All right, I would like to welcome y'all to this vlog. This vlog gonna go on all three of my channels, okay, as well as the next one, okay. All right, so anyway, y'all, Dr. Martin Luther King Day, okay. So Dr. Martin Luther King's actual birthday was January the 15th, okay. He was born in 1929, passed away April the 4th, 1968, Tanya's birthday, but Tanya wasn't born yet, okay. All right, so he was a civil rights activist, It say Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a American Baptist minister and activist who became the most invincible spokesman and leader in the civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. Okay. Yep. And you know something, y'all? I do support this day. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I do. Okay. Y'all put y'all fists in the air and stuff like that. Yep. I support that. Okay. So, like I said, though, I mean, I really enjoy a day like this. When I first heard of King Cake, I thought it was supporting Dr. Martin Luther King. You know. Well, all right. So yeah, I have a phone call, so I'll talk about this another time. Right? Bye.